This video will explain how to check if your crossover washer is level. If your washer or dryer is level, it won't rattle or make a lot of noise while in operation. To see if your machine is level, check by gently pushing it or leaning up against it from front to back and side to side. Double check that all 4 legs are touching the ground and adjust them if necessary. Each washer shipment comes with transportation or shipping bolts. These bolts secure the drum and keep it in place while in shipment. To remove the bolts, use a wrench or a socket wrench. Start with the 2 lower bolts, then remove the 2 upper bolts. Remove the 2 metal crossbars to extend the electrical cord. Cover the 4 holes with the caps provided. Then, reinstall the 2 metal crossbars. Now that the machine is fully level, you can proceed to the next step, connecting your machine to utilities.